Hi students, welcome to Krantikin's official YouTube channel. If you are preparing for All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2025, this video is going to be very helpful for you. Today, we are going to discuss the most important topics that are involved in the section English. Many students face lot of challenges while they are attempting the section of English. Here we are today to discuss the most important strategies that will help you to boost your accuracy as well as also to gain 10 more marks in your forthcoming Sainik School entrance examination. Krantiki Sainik Academy, we are here helping students to crack the All India Sainik School entrance examination with the strategic tips that we are providing and also helping them to gain some accuracy as well as a confidence that is required to attempt the examination as well as also helping them to score more number of marks in the forthcoming and the previous examinations too. So, I would request you to stay tuned to the complete video and also please subscribe our channel because we are helping you with a valuable content. Now, getting to the point, here we are going to discuss the English topic today where I am going to explain some important topics. So, the first thing is we have to discuss about the passage. Just give me a moment, guys. So, let's see this. The passage. What is the passage about? Clothes are important because they can tell people many things about us. So, what do we wear clothes for? Because it tells us things about us to people. This is how they can show people what work we do. They can make us look beautiful or ugly. They can make people want to know us. For many kinds of work, people wear special clothes. Sportsmen need clothes which are light and easy to move in. For that reason, cyclists, tennis players, and footballers usually wear shorts. People wear special clothes called swimsuits for swimming. Some people do dangerous work and so they need to wear special clothes. This is the paragraph, guys. So let's jump into the questions now. Clothes are important because why are they important? Because they show people what work we do. They tell people many things about us. They make us look beautiful or ugly. Yes, guys. They show people what work we are doing. They tell many things about us. They make us look beautiful or ugly. So the correct option is all of the above. Let's jump into the next question. Sportsmen need clothes which are, it's not heavy, guys. They do not need clothes which are heavy because if the cloth that they wear is heavy, it becomes difficult for them to play any sports it is. If the t-shirt or the short that they are wearing is very light, they'll carry it smoothly and their play becomes very easy for them to play. So it's not heavy, it's not colorful. Most of them choose white or black, or most probably a combination of red, white, or black, because most of the time these light colors are very smooth on our body and also does not increase the temperature. Some colors attracts heat. That is the reason they do not choose colorful clothes. So our answer is light and easy. This long things, sometimes when they are playing, it will be obstructing them so that it would not be easy for them to play. So let's get to the next question, guys. What do cyclists usually wear? Most of the time, they do not use any formal clothes, guys. Formal clothes are for business purpose, or when you are attending some interviews, we use formal clothes, or to work we use formal clothes, not cyclists. Cyclists do not have any sort of uniform. They do not have any sort of uniform. Swimsuits are for swimmers. Shorts is the correct answer. Shorts is the correct answer. So next question, why do some people need to wear special clothes? Because they want to look beautiful? No. Because they do dangerous works? Yes. See, whenever there is a person who is doing some sort of iron work, when they are mending the iron, what do they use is they use most of the time the fire. So they put some goggles or some masks which help them in order to avoid the fire things. So they wear special clothes because they do dangerous works. Because they want to look special? No. Because they want to known by others? No. This is the wrong answer, guys. So the correct answer is B. Fifth question, what do people wear for swimming? In the previous third question itself, we have come across this. They wear swimsuits. Swimmers wear swimsuits. Cyclists wear shorts. Labos, they wear uniform most of the time. Also for schools and all, schools, colleges, all these have colleges have uniform. Skirts, these are like ethnic dresses, right? Ethnic things. Only sometimes when they want to wear, they use this. It's tearing down the walls of tyranny. Guys, I would like you to answer the sixth question. It's tearing down the walls of the world's tyrannies. What is the word walls? The parts of speech of walls. What does the word walls mean? It's a noun, guys. Walls is a noun. It's not a pronoun. Understood? It's not pronoun. It's not doing any some sort of action because it's not verb. Adverb, it's not talking about the verb or it's not modifying anything. So it's not adverb. It's a noun. Hope you are enjoying session, guys. Please make some notes while I'm giving some notes because these questions will help you further in evaluating or analyzing some other questions which you have come across in some other questions. Understood? These might be relevant to other questions. I will not say that these questions only come to you in future examinations. These will help you to answer some of the questions which are very relevant. See, our teacher clarifies our doubt after she will have completed the lesson, means this gives future tense, guys. Our teachers, our teacher clarifies our doubt after she will have completed the lesson. This gives future. Means as after she had already finished the lesson in the future, she will clear the doubts. That is not correct. She had completed the lesson. She had completed the lesson is past. But this she still need to clarify the doubts, right? So this is past tense. She completes the lesson. After she completes the lesson, indicates this is still an ongoing action. But we are waiting for the completion of the lesson. No. So here our teacher clarifies our doubts after she completed the lesson. Understood? It means that she addresses the doubts once she finished the lesson. Once she finished the lesson. Understood? This gives a future tense. This gives a past tense. This gives still an ongoing action. But this is the ongoing action, right? That is not the ongoing action. Once she finished the lesson. This is how you have to analyze the question so that you will be able to answer it properly. So D is the correct answer. Very good. Akul, Na, Uday, everybody. You're really answering the questions very greatly, guys. Correct answer. Seven is D. D. She completed the lesson. Good job, guys. So next question is, it's also the type of tense that we take here. My brother had completed the work before I order, means before I order, did he already completed the work, right? Before I order, no, he did not order yet. So this is the wrong answer. I had ordered. No two same sentence does not contain I had ordered. Understood? So here I ordered is the correct answer. Before I ordered itself, he completed the work. He had completed the work. I will have ordered. This is very much in future tense, guys. Very much in future. Before I ordered itself, he had completed the work. That is how you have to choose. Very good, Veer Verma. Akul, yes. 8 is C. Trishala, Varshit, Bhumi. Yes, guys, good job, good job. Let's get to the ninth question. Do you buy mangoes? Convert to passive voice. Here, you is the subject, guys. You is the subject. Mangoes is the object. So, what do? You is the subject. Object is mangoes. So, we have to make the object as subject, right? We have to make the mangoes as the object, you as the subject, and to be past participle form, right? Participle form. Hmm. So what do we do here? What do we do here? Is mangoes bought by you? Mangoes are in plural form. So is no. This is not correct. Was is past tense. Were mangoes is this is future tense. No. So we take are mangoes bought by you. Mangoes became subject. So bought by you. So subject became object here and object became subject here. Understood, guys? This is how you have to clarify. Correct answer, guys. Correct. Saharsh 9A. Yes. Yojna, you just kept 9. No answer. Please answer. So that is how you have to answer the question, guys. Eliminate the wrong one. Eliminate the wrong one so you will be able to identify the correct one. Understood? They will buy a house. See here, there is confusion between these two. Please check. You may think that both are same, but see, these two are interchanged. Was being, no, this is past continuous, right? Was being past continuous. Was this is being, this is present continuous. Still present continuous. A house, they will buy a house means they will. It's not accurate. They will, right? So a house will be bought by them. Here we made the house the subject and by them object. Them is the form of they, right? House B will bought by them. B and will are not in the correct form. So this is wrong answer. These are wrong. A house will be bought by them is the correct answer. Yes. Very good, Sanatan. 10 is EA. Yes. Bhumi, Sanatan, Varshit, it's not D, it's A. So let's get to the 11th question, guys. He was addicted dash drinking. So off is when we use for something that belongs to. Something that belongs to. Understood? This preposition is used when something is belongs to. For is used for a purpose. It is used for a specific location. Drinking is a gerund, guys. When gerund in its noun form taking the continuous tense, noun in its taking a ing form, it takes to as a preposition. Understood? It takes to as a preposition. Yes, Anshul, that is correct answer. 11th D. Sanatan just gave the number, not the answer. So let's see this, guys. Let's inquire dash that matter a little. In is inside something, right? Inside something. You are going into the matter? No. Going inside? No, right? So this is wrong. For, like I already told you, it's for some purpose, right? There is some purpose here? No, right? So not particularly we are talking about? Yes, this is not particularly about. So let us inquire into that matter a little. So we are talking, not in particularly we are talking about the whole matter where we get into this matter and talk about it, but not about particular matter, right? That is the reason we take into as a preposition. Our favorite question, article. Article question, guys. Our favorite question here in the every examination that we come across. Our favorite article here is, what is the article? So a and an are indefinite articles and the is a definite article. Right. Indefinite and definite articles. So what is the type of article that we use here? Do we have an article here? The beauty, a beauty, and beauty. Beauty, is there an article before beauty? No, guys. Beauty is just a normal term and there is no article in front of beauty. Beauty is admired by all. It's not a thing in or a institution or something to put an article before it. It's a quality, guys. So we just admire it. We don't put articles in front of it. Right. Here, what are we doing here? So what did principal do to get good results now? What did our principal do to get the good results? Yes, Rohit, uh, Saharsh, Sanatan. Good, good. Yuvakirti. 13th is D only. Let's get jump to the question number 14, guys. It's getting displayed on the screen. Please check the question and answer it. The principal dash to get good results now. Has wished is wishing, wishes, wished. The principal dash to get good results now. Now means which type of tense are we looking into? The principal has wished, is wishing, wishes, and wished. Did he already wish or wishes in the future? He is doing it now, or this also wished. It means like he already wished. It's already happened. Just now, what are we talking about? Just now he did. I am getting different kinds of answers, guys. I want a single answer which is correct. B, A, B, everything, all over the place. Has wished, is wishing, wishes, wished. Which one is the correct answer? Is it still going on, or it just completed now, or it is in the past, or he will do it? Whether it is in the future tense. So the principal is wishing to get good results now. It's continuing, guys. He's still wishing to get good results now. Right. So the next question is our favorite question. What type of adverb it is? Adverb of place, adverb of manner, or frequency, or time. Which type of it is? Tomorrow. If you get this, you will get what type of adverb it is. Is it adverb of place, manner, frequency, or time? So what does place tells? Tells where something takes place. Where something takes place, right? Adverb of manner tells how an action is performed. How an action is performed, right? Adverb of time and frequency, right? How often it happens. So we are doing some action. How often it is happening, right? So it is indicating time, guys. Adverb of time. Tomorrow he is telling, I will meet you tomorrow. That is the reason we are telling. Good job, Bhumi. Varun Tej, Veer Verma, D, Sanjeev. Yes. Who is this? Sai Shravari. 14th D. Yes. 14th. Yuvakirti, Rohit. Good job, guys. Good job. I really appreciate you participating in the session and giving the answers, guys. Thank you so much. Yes, here also is an important topic we have already discussed in the class. What is this, guys? And, but, are, as. These are conjunctions, right? What is a subordinate conjunction? So, we have already discussed. Coordinating conjunction is something. Please comment. I have given you a hint for coordinating conjunction. What is the hint that I have given you? Fanboys, right? Fanboys is the hint I gave you for and, not, but, or, yet, and so. Right. These are our fanboys. These are our coordinating conjunctions. So eliminating the coordinating conjunctions, we get the subordinate conjunction. Right. Subordinate conjunction is something which combines a dependent clause with the independent clause. Independent clause, it can't stand alone. So it requires a dependent clause to join it together. So we need a subordinate conjunction. After removing these three, what do we have? We have subordinate conjunction, right? Fanboys, you remember? Yes. Which is the suitable one, guys? Let me do it. This is will you. So, like Gaurav said in the earlier class, he was telling positive, negative, negative, positive. Sometimes positive gets a positive question tag. In such cases, let me do it. Will you? Right. So here they are going, are they? Aren't they? Sorry. Aren't they? They are going, aren't they? He is eating few fruits. Isn't he? Right. Isn't he? Aren't I? I am teaching English. Aren't I? Right? So sometimes, like I told you, aren't I is a question tag that can be used in dialects like Irish English. It will be used, but not commonly. Understood? I also told you amenti is also a word, but it is mostly used in Irish English, not British English or American English. Very good, guys. Very good. I can see most of you. Shristishwa 17A. Yes, 17A. Yeah, Sanatan. Very good, Bhumi. Correct. Correct, guys. Correct. Thank you for participating in the video. Thank you so much for commenting. Once again, I request all of you to subscribe our channel so that you'll get more valuable updates as well as more valuable content so that in future whenever you are not able to come to the class or whenever you want to sit at home and look at the video and learn some strategic tips that we are helping you with, it will be very useful for you. So please like, share and subscribe. So here, one word substitute. One who is well versed, with in any subject, a critical judge of any art, particularly fine arts. So, what is a veteran? Let us see. What is a veteran? Who has had a long experience? Who has had a long experience? Who has had a long experience in any particular field? In any particular field. Understood. In any particular field. Yes, Philistine. Philistine. What is Philistine? This is ancient people, ancient people, or term used for people who are uninterested in arts. Uninterested in arts. Okay. Dilettante, he is curiously knowing something about arts. He's an amateur. He doesn't know anything about arts. He just curiously wants to know some artistic works. That's it. Understood? So, connoisseur. Connoisseur is a person, one who is well versed in any subject, critical judge of any art, particularly fine arts. Any art can be food, music, it can be anything. He is very much well versed in any subject. Sorry guys, 18C is not the answer. 18 is D. I'm so sorry for the wrong answer that you are telling. ABCD. Very nice guys. ABCD. All the options. Very good. Funny. You might have come across this in your science and GK classes. The art of cutting trees and bushes into ornamental shapes. What is horticulture, guys? Horticulture is garden cultivation. Horticulture is garden cultivation, right? We do it on our rooftop mostly. Garden cultivation. Bonsai, it's like art of growing and training plants. Art of growing or training plants to be in a miniature size. Miniature size. So, what is pruning? Pruning is nothing but cutting away dead or decayed materials. Cutting away dead or decayed or overgrown branches. So, by this, you will get to know the answer. What is the answer, guys? Answer is topiary. Topiary is the answer. Pruning is not the answer, guys. 19 is not C. 19 is not C. It's D. Good, good job, Devansh. 19. Darshit, good job. Good job, guys. Darshit, Devansh, Sherwan. Yes. D is the correct answer, guys. Topiary is the correct answer. So, what type of sentence is this? Why are you crying here? Assertive or declarative? Declarative is one and the same. So, this is not assertive. No facts or statements. No facts or statements, right? No facts or statements. Are we talking about something like this? No facts or statements. So, imperative, no command, order, or advice. Command, order, or advice. Do we have something like this? No, right? No. Exclamatory, no extreme emotion, no extreme emotion, right? So, our answer is interrogative. Good job, good job. 20 is B. Good job, guys. I appreciate all of you that you're taking part in the video. I encourage you to subscribe to the channel, like the channel, so that you'll get the future updates and it will be helpful for you in future learning. Yes, Bhumi 20 is Arush ready, 20B, Vinayak 20, 20 is C, no, 20 is B. Sorry, 20 is C. I'm sorry, guys. 20 is C. Next one, let's skip to the next question. 21, synonym of aloof. Synonym of aloof. None of this? No. Proof, it's something we show it to prove something, right? It can be maths or something. We can achieve it by doing something. Yes, 20 is C. 21st question is being displayed on the screen, guys. I want you to do it. Discard is to remove. Aloof is unfriendly, guys. Aloof is unfriendly. Yes. Antonym of wise. Wise means like you are a little bit knowledgeable, right? Knowledgeable, clever. Broad means it's like very broad, large kind of thing. Popular, it's like you are famous. Famous. You are famous. Vice is virtue. It means vice is wrongdoing. Wrongdoing. Virtue is something bad, good, goodness. So we are talking about the antonym, right? Not the synonym. So clear it. So 23rd question. Identify the correct spelling, guys. Many S's are there. Extra S will be there or they will decrease the S. Yes. 22 is C, guys. Yes. Correct answer. Yuvakirti, Sherwan. Yes, guys. Sanatan, Vardhan. Sir. Uh-huh. Saurav, you're not getting the question. Check it properly. Check the video properly, guys. Yuvakirti, yes, 22, not 21. 22 C. 23 is Sia. Who told, right? Who told? POSSES. Possess. ION. Possession. B is the answer. So, guys, he may give you, I told you, they will decrease the S or increase the S. I told you, guys, some words they will be confusing. So B is the correct answer. POSSESSION. Who told Ray? B is the answer. Very good. Congratulations. That's the wrong answer. Right answer. C is the wrong answer, guys. Sorry. Very good. So one of our interesting topic, parajumble sentence. The detective examined the crime scene carefully. He noticed a small torn piece of fabric on the floor. Robbery had taken place at the jewelry store. He suspected the thief had left a clue. So, what happened first? The robbery took place. First one, it's C. Where is the option? Easily identifiable. Right. Just do it like this. Identify which happened first. First, a robbery happened. The detective came. He noticed a small torn piece of fabric on the floor. He suspected the thief left a clue. That's the correct answer. Yes. Jashvik, you are still in 20 only. We are here 24. Varuntage, answer is B. 24 is B, guys. B is the correct answer. Very good. Satvik, Darshit, very good, guys. Next, last question, guys. Arrange the sentence in a proper manner. So, to learn new languages enjoys he. So the subject is he. He enjoys. So we have only option with F, that is A, right? So the answer is A, guys, because the subject here is he enjoys to learn new languages. So the option is A. Directly we can put it. Thank you so much, guys. The next is given by Kalyani ma'am. She'll continue with her session. Thank you. Good.
Wait for 2 minutes. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Now, the maths class, we will discuss about the important maths questions. You need to send the answers on the chat box. Comment yourself. Okay. First question. You know, all of you in the Sainik exam, we will get the 50 maths questions you need to complete within 1 hour. Now, maths. These are our old rankers. First question. Read the question, all of you. And next exam, you know, all of you, exam is on April 5th. All you are actually then here we have our coaching center, you know, our Kranti is already, it is a 27 years experience in the Sainik and Navodaya. For the next academic year, the admissions are open. If anybody interested to join for the training of the Sainik Navodaya RMS, you can call to our contact number that is in display. Now we will discuss about the some of the important questions in the maths. First question, read the question. A shopkeeper bought 437 meter, 35 centimeters of cloth, Later, he found that 188 meters, 74 centimeters of cloth was damaged. What is the length of the cloth is in good condition. Here, total he bought 437.35 centimeters. But what happened here? It was damaged. Damaged part, we need to do the subtraction. Then you will get the good condition 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 7 is not possible. 6. And it will become say 13. 6. And next 2, 16. 8. And next 3, 12, 4. And 2. So 48.61 meters. You can write as a here like that 248.61 meters. That is the correct answer 248.61 meters. Who got the 248.61 meters? That is the correct. And next question, next one, Hemish. Hi. And next, a motorist. Read the question. Question reading is very important. A motorist travel the distance between the two towns, which is a 65 kilometers in 2 hours 40 minutes. If you observe this question, find the speed in meters per minute. You all know speed in kilometers per hour, meters per second. But here what they are saying, the motor is minutes they are asking. If you observe the all are in the minutes. First of all, the distance is the 65 kilometer. 65 kilometer. Okay. And next here, time is the, what is the time here? 2 hours 10 minutes. We can calculate this, convert into minutes. Why? Because the speed we need is speed is in the meters per minutes. Here it is in kilometers. Convert this it into meters. It is the 65,000 meters. This convert into the time into 120 plus 10, 130 minutes. Here 130 minutes we can travel 65,000 meters. Then 1 minute how much? Do cross multiplication. 65,000 by 130. 0, 13 ones are 500. Answer is 500 meters per minute. Here, what I did exactly in the question, the answer is in the meters per minute. That's why I changed the distance into meters. I changed the time to meters, minutes. Here, minutes, total minutes, 130 minutes. He tracked 65,000 meters. 1 minute, how much? Here, if you do the cross multiplication, the answer is the 500 meters per minute. Next question. You have to do all the questions. Here, find the approximate value x in the following equation. Here, we need to find this x value. But here, if you see, this value is there, this value is there. First, we need to solve this. 32.76 into 5.1. 1672 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 38, and 5 2 is 10, 13, 5 1 is 15, 15 plus 1, 16. 6, 7, 10, and 7, 16. How many decimals will come? 3 decimals will come. Means this value we got 167.076. Then add both. 167.076 plus 65.437. Then add this 13 and next 11, 5 and 2 here 13, 2. 232.53. Now you can write this also 232.513 plus x equals to 543.13. This plus value going to this side, it will become say subtraction. Means 543.13 minus, here minus 232.513. Here 0, 2, 10, 7, 1. Here 2, 11, 6, 0, 1, B. The answer we got 310.617. Here they are asking approximation value of x. What is the nearest to 310 here? What is the nearest to 310 here? 313 we have the nearest. Approximate value means we need to take the nearest value. The answer is the 313. And next 3 numbers are in the ratio 3:4:5. Their LCM is 2400. What is the HCM? Actually, here 3 is to 4 is to 5 is the ratio, and LCM they gave 2400. It should be the HCF, the multiplication of this ratio only. The ratio is nothing but we can't divide. 3 4 is 12, 12 5 is 60. The HCF is the 60. The HCF is the 60. Easy only this question. And next, see the question here. In the given diagram, two straight lines AB, this is the AB and this is the CD, intersect each other at O. Intersect each other. The angle AOC is 50. Whenever the two angles are intersect each other, that time these opposite angles are equal. These opposite angles are equal. It means this will be, this 50 goes to, obviously this is also 50. This is also 50. Means total angle, what is the total angle here? 360. 360 in the, what happened, 50 plus 50, we need to subtract the 100. Means that is the 260. But they are asking BOC only. BOC means only they are asking this angle. Only this angle they are asking. But we got the total of these two angles 260. Then we need to do the division by 2. Why? Because these both are equal only. 130. Answer is the 130D. Who got the D answer? It's very correct. And next answer is the sixth one. Next question. Yes. This question, if the angles of the triangles in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5, then the triangle will be. This, if you listen today's class, you are very weak in the angles topic, it will be clear every doubt in the angles topic because all questions, most of the questions is related to angles only. Why? Because it's a little bit lines and angles is little bit confused topic. That's why we concentrated today most of the questions in the lines and numbers. In the angles of the triangle, send the question or answer of this question. 3 is to 5 with the triangle. They are asking what type of triangle. They gave the angles in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5. Then first, you know, total angle of the triangle 180 degrees. Then find the angles of the two. 2 by how many parts total? 10 parts. 10 into 180. 0, 0 cancel. 8 2s 36. And next, 3 by 10, 180. And 0, 0. 54 degrees. And next one is the 5. 5 by 10 into 180. 0, 0 cancel. 18 5 are 90 degrees. If you, these are the three angles of the triangle. If you see 90 degrees, 90 degrees, absolutely it is the right angle triangle. No need to see another angles. If the angles are different, that is the scalene. If the two angles are the equal, that is the isosceles. Equilateral triangle means all angles are equal. Here we got the two different angles, but one angle is the 90 degrees. Means obviously the answer is the right angle. The answer is the right angle. And next question here. This is easy question, basic question. 28 are there. Here we need to find the 28 factors. 1 into 28 and 2 into 24 and 3 table, it will not divisible. 4 table, 4 sevens are. Anything else? No. Then take the U-turn. How many factors? 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 7 comma 14 comma 28. Total count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Here, these type of questions, they used to concentrate on not number of factors. They used to ask the number of factors, and sometimes they used to ask the sum of the factors. Sometimes they used. Yesterday we discussed one question. What is the sum of smallest and the largest factor of number? They gave the something 54, I think 54 or 56. Then that time no need to do because every triangle, see here, every number having the smallest factor is 1 and greatest is the 28. Greatest is the 28. If you do sum 1 plus 28, 29. First, no need to do. Sometimes they used to ask the sum of the factors also. That time we need to add these. That time we need to find the compulsory factors. This question answer is the 6. And next here, 8th question. Here, find the average of the first 10 whole numbers. Actually, whole numbers. Whole numbers is nothing but what is the whole numbers? It starts with 0. First 10 whole numbers is nothing but 0 to 9. Why? Because 0 is also considered as a 1. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. By 10. Sum of the one is 10. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 36 plus 9, 45. 45 by 10 is nothing but 4.5. Answer is 4.5. Whole number is nothing but 0 also we need to consider. Take as a whole number. First whole number is a 0. We need to consider. And next here ninth one. Express the Roman numeral CDIX in Arabic numeral. CDIX. Here C equals to what is the value? 100. D equals to 500. I equals to 1. X equals to, here CDIX is nothing but, this is the minus, means 400 and plus 9, means 409. Answer is 409. 409, that is the correct answer. Chalo. Next here. Question, read the question carefully because this is a little bit lengthy question. And a land was purchased for rupees 45,000 a hectare and was made into plots leaving 25% area for the roads. Find the profit percent when it was sold at 9 a square meter. Actually, he purchased. Purchased is nothing but cost price. We know that is the 45,000 a hectare. Do you know hectare value, all of you? Hectare. Hectare is nothing but 10,000 square meters. 10,000 square meter. Hectare is nothing but 10,000 square meter. All of you keep in mind and keep once revised. Hectare is nothing but 10,000 square meter. Whenever you will get the hectare, that time you have to take as a 10,000 square meter. Shortest form is the hectare. Here what happened was made into plots 25% area for roads. Means they left area 25 means what is the remaining area? They have 75% of 10,000. 75% of 10,000. 75 by 100 into 10,000. 0000. 7,500. 7,500 square meters converted into plots. Each is how much? 9. Each is how much they sold into each square meter. See what finds it? It was sold 9 per square meter. Then they sold 9 rupees each meter square. 0, 0, 45, 7 nines are 63 plus 9, 67,500. They sold, the selling price is the 67,500. Okay, 67,000. What is the cost price? 45,000. 45,000. What is the profit if you do subtraction? 005 and next 6 and next here 67,500. Sorry, no need to the here. 7 minus 5 to 2. 22,500 is the profit. But here what they asked? They asked profit percentage. Profit percentage is nothing but profit by cost price into 100. Here 0000. Ones are twos. Two ones are 50s. 50% is the profit. 50% is the profit. Answer is the 50%. Listen all of you again. Here a land purchased 45,000 for hectare. Here CP 45,000. Hectare is how much? 10,000 meter square. Hectare is nothing but 10,000 meter. This is the new one. You have to remember this is the new one. 10,000 meter square. In the 10,000 meter square, 75%. Why 75% means 20% of the area they used for the roads means 75%. 75% of 10,000. 75 by 100 into 10,000 means 7,500 meters square. In that, each is the 9 rupees. 9 rupees means if you each sold by the 9 rupees. If you multiply, we got the selling price 67,500. In the 67,500, if you do the CP subtraction, 22,500 is the profit. Here they are asking the profit percentage means this by this into 100, we got the 50%. This is the answer. And next question, 11th one. Here, solvation, simplification. We need to solve the step by step. You need to solve this back to back. First, I am solving this value. What we have found, third value I am solving. Here, 3. 3 plus 1 is the 4 by 3. Total value, what we got here, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is nothing but this 3 going to up, means it will become say 1 plus 3 by 4. Again, I need to find this value, 1 plus 3 by 4. Here, 4 is the LCM, 4 plus 3 is the 7 by 4. 7 by 4. Means this total value I got, what is the value? I am using that, not for confusion purpose, I am using different colors. Observe. This value is 7 by 4. What happens is, again this 4 will goes to, means 1 plus 4 by 7 will happen. Here again 7, 7 plus 4. Means 11 by 7. 11 by 7 is nothing but 1 4 by 7. 1 4 by 7. And one more see, Nana. Here see, you can take 1 plus 4 by 7 directly 1 4 by 7. Because 1 plus 1 more fraction is added. But don't take 1 into 4 by 7, 1 4 by 7. It is absolutely wrong. It is absolutely wrong. The shortcut is to 1 plus 4 by 7 we can take as a 1 4 by 7. Suppose 2 plus 3 by 5 we can take as a 2 3 by 5. But don't take 2 into 3 by 5, 2 3 by 5. This is the wrong. This is the wrong. This is nothing but 2 parts extra we had 3 by. That's why we are taking as a 2 3 by 5. Here also don't take 1 by 4 7. This is also wrong. You can take directly. If you take directly, here only you will get the answer. No need to do these two steps. This is a shortcut. Here 1 by 4 by 7 means nothing but 1 4 by 7. We will get this only, here only answer. Whenever one whole number plus one proper fraction is there, that time you have to take as a mixed fraction. See here, 20 plus 1 by 3. You can take 21 by 3. 21 by 3. This is the answer for this question is 1 4 by 7. Next, 12th one, simplification. Simplification is very important. Actually, who are seriously training for the Sainik school, that you treated as a board mass sums are very easy and fractions are very easy and decimals are very easy. That only you have to remember. Every question is important in the question. When you are practicing, you thought this is not important. But when you are doing the question paper, you have to give the importance on every question. So many students, what you will do, you used to neglect the easy sums, means simplification. Easy only, no need to practice. But when you are practicing the simplification sum, it's easily you will get 5 questions in the Sainik exam. That means 5 into 3, 15 marks you will get easily. But if you are not, if you neglect the simplification sum, you lost compulsory in the calculation part sometimes. So here see, simplification sum, first we need to do the division. 0.15 by 0.05. Here decimal, 5 ones are 3. This value is 3. 0.50 plus 3 into 2 by 6. You can take as a 3.50 into 2 by 6. After decimal here, there is no value of the 0. Means 3.5, you can write 2 by 7. Means 35 by 10 into 2 by 7. 7 ones are 5. 5 twos are 2 twos are. The value is 1. See here, actually, 1 here, taking one decimal number 11. I explained so many times, I told so many times in the class also for you. Here I am keeping so many zeros, and here also I am keeping so many zeros. This is the division decimal, this is the decimal part, this is the whole part we know already. But here see, you are keeping this side decimal part any zeros, and here this side any. If you keep 1000 zeros also, there is no value change. See here, you can take this as 11.35 only, because this side zeros there is no value, this side zeros no value. If having zeros here, keeping the zeros, the value will be changed. But keeping the left side of the number, decimal number, right side of the number, there is no change. See here, you can write, all of you, 0, 0, 0, 2 is nothing but 2 only. And next, 2.22220 is nothing but 2.2 only. Means there is no value of this side and this side. But in the middle of these numbers, the value will be decrease and increase. It depends on the keeping zeros. Okay, keep it mind all of this. And next 13th question. Three types of oils. This is also very important question. Basically, if you think it's not important, but it is a regular question, means without this question, there is no question paper in the Sainik and Navodaya. When you go through the old papers, these types of questions without questions, we didn't have any paper of the Sainik and Navodaya. Three RMS also. Three types of oils, 120 liters, 180 liters, 240 liters are to be arranged in the cans of the same capacity, maximum capacity of such can. Here, maximum capacity is nothing but we need to take as a HCF of this. You know, already it's very clear if you observe 62s are, 63s are, 64s. 60 liters is the answer. 60 liters is the answer. The answer is 60 liters. And next, uh, yes, this question, 14th question, arrange the rational numbers. Minus 7 by 10, minus 5 by 10, 8, minus 2 by ascending order. First of all, you know ascending order small to big. We know how to ascending order. We know already. But here, if you observe, they gave the first I'm taking exactly like that what they gave 5 by 18 and next 2 by minus 3. This is also new question I think for you. See here, if your numerator is also numerator is half minus means that is a minus value only. If the denominator is half minus also that is minus only. If the next you can treat as a take as a minus 7 by 10. Here denominator then you have to take minus 5 by 8 and minus 2 by 3. Up to here I also know. And next here easy method decimal 0.7 and minus 0. What happened for 50 means the 86 0.60 approximately uh, 0.62. Next minus 0.66 will come. Okay. Here these are all minus value. It will you have to take as a treated as a not see I'm now I'm drawing the number line. This is the number line. This is a 0, 1, 2, 3, and it's minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Now I'm writing for the example. You have to thought as it. Here, see, if you take 1 is greater than 2, no. It's greater. 2 is only, here 2 only greater 1. Okay. 1 is less 1. If you take in the minus value, minus 2 or minus 1, all of you send your answers in the chat box. In this minus 2 or minus 1, which is the greatest one? Which one is the greatest one? Minus 2, minus 1. Obviously, here minus 1 will be the greatest one because you didn't have 200 rupees. You didn't have, suppose you want to give somebody 200 rupees, but you have 200 rupees. Suppose you want to give somebody 300, which is the more 300 only. Be like that only minus 2. You are in the minus 2, your 1 is the minus 1. Means minus 1 only greater than. Means absolutely in the negative values, it will be changed to big to small. Means small to big is nothing but big to small we need to take. Means first is the answer. Minus 0.7 is the smallest one. After that, minus 0.6 is the smallest 16. Minus 0.62. Actually, without minus values, we need to take this is the first, after this is the second, this is the third. But here they gave the negative values. That's why I take the reverse. Then now we are going to original form fractions minus 0.10, minus 2 by 3 are next to 5 by minus 8. Here minus is down. Where is the answer? This answer is in the A. Option is the A. Answer is the A. And next, this is also easy. The angles in the triangle of the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. All that ratio. Ratio means it is a very tough topic. Oh, it's we don't know this topic. You will scared about the ratios. Ratio is nothing but it is a fraction. It's a parts. With each fraction they represent. Suppose here they need to represent 1 by total how many 6? 1 by 6 parts, 2 by 6 parts, 3 by. But they equalize and they use to show normally. This is the difference of the ratio and fraction. Here find the greatest angle. 3 by 6 into 180. 6 ones are 30. 3 into 30, 90 degrees. Answer is 90 degrees. Answer is 90 degrees. Greatest they ask. And next here, I told you already before the class only. Today, if you listen the class, you will clear all the angles topics. Here, see, if one of the complementary angles 17 degrees greater than the other, you have to, whenever complementary, this is also very important question. These facts means complementary, supplementary. It is very easy important words. Compulsory in the exam, they used to ask complementary angle of some other angle or supplementary angle of some other angle. They used to ask. Here, complementary. Complementary is nothing but 90 degrees. What happened? What is the complementary? The sum of the two angles. One is the x. Other one is what happened? X plus 17 degrees. X plus 17 degrees. They are asking the smaller one. Then here x plus x 2x. This 17 going to that side minus 90 minus 17 is 3 and 73. X equals to 73 by 2. It is nothing but 36 1 by 2 degrees. 36 1 by 2 degrees. Answer is 36 1 by 2 degrees. Here. And let's suppose angles of the polygon. Here we have one formula, that is the n minus 2 into 180. Sum of the angles of the formula is, this is the formula, n minus 2 into 180. N minus 2 into 180. Here polygon is not every number of the sides having the, suppose you can take as a polygon is the rectangle called as a polygon. Four sides of the figures we used to call quadrilateral. You can polygon. Angle also you can take as a polygon, but that is the sides. Which sides? Polygon having 7 sides, a polygon having 3 sides, everything. Formula here. Here 5. You have to take as a 5 minus 2 into 180. Next 3 into 180 is nothing but here 540 degrees. What is the meaning of this? Means 5 sides means you know already it is a pentagon. 5 sides means pentagon. These are all angles. If you add, you will get here 540. The meaning is that here the sum of all angles of the polygon of 5 sides means 5 sides. Obviously, we used to talk as a pentagon. That total angles is 540. And next question here, 18th one. If A is the smallest prime number, then you have to take as a, what is the smallest prime number? B is an odd number. Any odd number means 1, 2, 3, 5. You take anything. Okay. Which of the following is the odd number? One thing you have to remember, every even number, even into odd, always you will get the even only. If you multiply with even number, any even number, you take the six, you take the odd number, any odd number, like in thousands, crores also, if you multiply with even, it becomes a even. Means I take an example, even 2 into 5 is the 10. Like that here also we have to take A into B. What is the value here? A into B, 2 into, I'm taking B 3 plus 1. Means 6 plus 1, 1. Now we need to use the options here. See, A into B means A is always 2. B I am taking 1. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, what is the value here? 4. Here A I am taking 2. 2 always. B I am taking 1 plus 3. This is also 6. A into B, 2 into 1 plus 1. Means 2 plus 1, this is the 3. A into B, 2 into 1. What is the order here? A into B plus 1. This type of questions we need to check as a options. This is the option based question. Okay. Next question. This question I think last Sainik exam we got this question. And next here, 35% of alloy was silver. If the in the quantity of alloy there was 19 grams of silver. What is this quantity of? Easy only because this is the 35% equals to what they told 1190. They are asking 100%. What is the quantity of other elements in the quad? Other elements is obviously it is the 65%. 65% equals to how much? To cross multiplication. Because one alloy is there in that 35% is the silver. We were using other part. We are finding the other part. 190 to 65 by 35. 7 fives are 7 fives are 7 ones are and 7s are 5 ones are 5 13s are 1 7 into 30 21 5 7 1. Here 221 grams. The other alloy we used to sometimes we used to confuse and we used to find that 100 grams 100%. That is not the correct answer. This is the answer. Answer is the 221. Ah, yes. Next question. It's related to time and work. A and B undertake the complete a piece of work for 600. Means A and two persons went and they contacted. These two persons went and they used to contract one work that is the 600 rupees need to give. If they complete the work, they used to give the 600. A alone can do work for 1 by 4 days. We know already P alone do is which was 1 by 6 days. But with the help of C, they finish the work in 2 days. Means they are not able with the help of C. Means with help of means A plus B plus C, it will be finished in 2 days. But find the share of the C. If you want to find share of the C, means we need to find C alone how many days he will complete. Means C is nothing but 1 by 2 minus A minus B. 1 by 2, A is what is the value? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Here what is the LCM? 12, 6, 3, 2 means 1 by 12. C alone can do 1 by 12. Means here A, B, C. A will be C, all of you. This is question is, you know, up to alone you can find, but we are here sharing the money also. Here sharing the money also. A is 1 by 4, B is 1 by 6, C is 1 by 2. Now I told you now, before only, ratios are nothing but we equalize the denominators and we find the ratios. Now I am finding the ratios only here. See here, into 3, into 3. I am taking denominators, I am equaling. Means 3 is to 2 is to 1. Means one part we will get. Total how many parts? 6. 1 into 6 into 600 rupees. Means he will get the 100 rupees. Listen all of you again. Here see, A and B went for the contract to undertake the work 600 rupees. In that A alone can do 1 by 4 days, B alone can do 1 by 6 days. With the help of C, they finished 2 days only. Then 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, C alone can do 1 by 12. Here only very important, A is the A, B, C. A is 1 by 4, B is 1 by 6, C is 1 by 12. Now I am converting into ratios means I need to make it as a denominators equal. Denominators equal. Means 3 is to 2 is to 1. C part, what is the 1 part? 1 by 6. Total of is 6. Into how much money? 600. Means C will get the 100 rupees. B will get the 200. A will get the 300. This is a little bit logic question. Listen. And next question here, 21. What is the cube root? What is the cube root? Cube root any square. If you don't know that, most probably we can remember after 20 squares and 10 cubes. But here they gave the 2744. That time we need to use the prime factorization of the method. Prime factorization 2744, 2 ones are, 3s are, 7s are, 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 6s are, 2 3s are, 4s are, 3s are, 343. You have for this 343 very important. Why? Because it is a cube of the 7. Remember all of you, this is a cube of the 7. 7, 40, 9, and 7, 7. Cube means every 3 we need to take 1. Means we have Two threes means 2. Two sevens means 7. Two sevens are 14. If you know directly, you can use directly also. No need to do the process. Just I told about the who don't know the process. That is the reason. But answer is the 14. Easy. Next, this is the question. Food seller purchased 100 oranges for 80 rupees. Means what's the cost price? 80 rupees. Okay. He bought is nothing cost price. 100 oranges. But what happened to the 100 oranges? 20 of the rotten. It's rotten means it's spoiled. Means how many he have? 80 only. What can sell the rest of the oranges? How many rest of the oranges here? See, 80 oranges to get the 25%. Means he need the 25% profit. Means SP equals to what will happen? 125 by 100 into 80. 0 cancel. 5 twos are 5 1 5 5 twos are 525. 2 ones are 4. Means SP should be 100. Means how much he need to say? They are asking per annum orange. One orange, how much he will? Total 100 rupees SP, 100 by 8. 0 cancel. 8 ones are 1.25. He need to sell the each orange 1.25. He will get the 25% of the profit. And next question 23. To get 25% of the after announcing the discount of 10%, the shopkeep must be mark the price of the article with cost price. Here we need to find X value. X how much he is giving the discount? Percent means what is the value? 90%. 90 by 100 equals what we need to get? 25% gain means 360 into 25. We need to only balance this. See here, the X with the cost 360. Okay, we want 25% of the 25% of the income means 125 by 100. But he want to give the market price. Market price 10% discount means 90%. 100 cancel. X equals to 360 by 90 into 125. 91 are 4. X equals to 500. Answer is 500. See here, just know one thing. We need to find mark price. On mark price, how much is giving the discount? 10% means 90 by 100. To get the 25%, the get 360 into 125 by 100. Means answer is the 500. And next 24. Find the simple interest. 16% for 73 days. My formula you know already. T into R by 100. But here T is the 73 days. T 48750 time is 73 by 365 into R equals to 16 by 100. 0 cancel 73 1 5. Here they gave the non-leap year. Non-leap year is obviously 365. And next up 5 ones are 5 nines are and 37 means 5 sevens are 35 5. See here 975 into 16 by 10. Okay. 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 nines are 5 2 ones are 8. 195 into 8. 8 fives are 40. 8 nines are 72, 76, 15, 16. Answer is 15, 16. Because days will come means you need to take. This is a logical thinking question. Nothing is there here. If each of the entry of the piece data is increased by 7, then average. Every piece increased to 7 means obviously the average is also will be increased 7 only. Increases by 7. This is the today's maths class. Next you have the EVS class. And if you are not getting the answers, if you are not understanding the questions, please go through the video again and pause the video. Then you will get easily understand. Was if you are not able to understand, watch more times. Thank you.
Hello, my dear children. Hope you are all doing well. Once again, I am back with one more video. And today's video, We'll go with the science topic. And admissions for the Sainik, RMS and Navodaya. Admissions are in progress. The parents who are willing to join your child in our school, please walk to our office, which is located in Dammaigoda, Hyderabad. And all the videos which we are sharing are very valuable, and the content which we are giving is with the subject experts and all. We are framing all these questions. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Come on, let us start the session without any further delay. The first question is just before you, children. Come on, please see the first question. I'll read out for you. What is the first question? What is the major difference between the dog and the cat in case of eating food habits, eating the food material? Okay, in eating the food material. So, what is the difference they have in there? So, coming to the dog, which is a carnivore, which is a carnivore. Okay. So even cat is also a carnivore. Okay. Okay, children, let us see the points what they are asking for. Okay, see the first option. Dog depends on incisors and eat the food, and rat uses incisors for it. Sorry, please make it as rat, children. So whereas rat is a herbivore. So here we are showing the difference between a dog and a rat. One rat is a herbivore which eats like all veg. Okay. See, whereas dog is a carnivore. Okay. So dog depends on incisors. Previously I told you about the incisors, the types of teeth. Okay. The type of teeth which we have in our mouth. Okay. The type of teeth, the front four teeth, the bottom teeth, and the upper and lower teeth are called incisors. Okay. So incisors are the front teeth. Okay. Which are 8. The incisors are which are used for cutting the food. Okay. So whereas the next part we have incisors after canines. Canines are for tearing. Canines are for tearing the food. Yes or no, children? So next we have molars and premolars. Premolars and molars. Okay, children, you have know about all these types of different types of teeth like incisors, canines, molars, and premolars. So here, what they are asking, they gave 4 statements. Let us see what they gave. Okay, children. So see, dog uses canines to tear the food, and rat uses front teeth to eat the food. Yes, so rat, it has a front teeth which always nibbles the food. Yes. See, so this is the right option. So this is the major difference. If you see, dogs are carnivorous animals. They have very sharp canines. Okay, to tear the flesh, to tear the flesh of the animals. It eats, hunts and eat other animals. Whereas rat, it eats it with the front teeth. It bites the food. Okay, so dog uses big teeth is a wrong statement. Whereas both dog and rat do not use teeth. So option B is the right answer. Please give your answers, children. Come on. Option B is the right answer. Question number 2. Let us see the next question. So, which among the following is a carnivore observed in your school garden? Just now, as I told that carnivores it eats only meat, which eats only meat. So whereas butterfly and grasshoppers, it's not. They are not carnivores. They are herbivores. They are herbivorous animals. Okay. So lion is a carnivore. Yeah, no, children. A lion is a carnivore, whereas garden lizard is also a carnivore. Yeah. So, but they are asking in your school garden, they are asking. So, in our school garden, we don't see lions, we see snake. Garden lizard is our right answer. Okay. So, the second answer, option A is our right answer. Come on, give your answers, children. So, who are there? Please give your answers. Hope you are following me. 2A is the right answer. Very good. So, who are there? Please text your name along with the Answer ma, so that I can easily find out who is texting. Come on, moving to the next question. Question number 3. Somu wants to use mirror in his house for light. Okay, mirror in his house for light. At the same time, the thing should not be seen from outside. Which type of mirrors are to be used? So he should see the images, but not from the other side. It should not be visible. So transparent, which is very clear from outside. Yeah, yes or no, children? So whereas opaque, which is not clear, which we cannot, the which the light will not pass through the object. Light will not pass through. Okay, light will not pass through. Yeah. So whereas transparent, plastic covers are transparent, plastic water bottles are transparent. Okay. So which the light pass through. Yeah, no children. So whereas translucent, which is unclear. Okay, blurred images can be seen. So the right answer is translucent. 3C is the right answer. 3C is the right answer. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Next. See, question number 4 is given on the screen. Please give your answers. Question number 4. A weathercock show the dash in which wind is blowing. In which the wind is moving, blowing. So a weathercock shows what they are asking. What is humidity, children? Humidity is nothing but the moisture which is there in the air. The moisture present in the air is nothing but the humidity. Nature comprises of all the trees, plants, and all is nothing but the nature. So speed, no. With the speed of the wind, it cannot be known by using the weathercock. Okay. So the direction of the wind can be known by using the weathercock. So the direction of the wind will be known. So 4D is the right answer. Okay. See, come on. Yes, 4D. Full gave the right answer. Yes, Taikiran gave the right answer. Very good, children. Come on, Falguni, Bhargava. Come on, give your answers, children, fast. Okay, let us go to the next question. Hope you're enjoying all these videos. Yes, no, children? Come on. Yes. Which of the following instruments is used to hear, analyze the heart and lungs sound? Heart and lungs sounds can be analyzed by using which instrument they are asking. So, what is the use of a telescope? A telescope is an instrument which is used to observe the distant objects, the objects which are very far away from our location. So, those objects can be seen with the telescope, whereas a microscope is used to view the microscopic organisms like very small, which cannot be seen with our naked eye, can be seen with a microscope. Okay, microscopic organisms which we cannot see with our naked eye can be seen through the microscope. Okay, then next, stethoscope is an instrument which is used by a doctor to hear the heart and lung sound of the human body. Okay, so C is the right answer. Let us see what is this phonograph. A phonograph is an instrument used to play and listen to the sounds. Okay, listen to the sounds or music. Okay, children. So, what is the right answer? The 5C is the right answer. Yes, Vaishnavi, right answer. Sahiti, correct answer. Very good. Falguni, Sahiti. Yes, good, good. Along with the question number, please text your answer. Option, right option. Good, children. Good going. Come on. Next option. Next question. Question number 6. Let us see. Who is known as the father of white revolution? So here, this we have seen in relationship between animals and the human beings. So what relation do we have between the animals and the human beings? We rear different animals for our needs, like for carrying the loads, or they provide milk or meat, or they provide several things to us. Yes or no? So who is the father of milk revolution? This white revolution is associated with the production of milk, with the production of milk. So the question is, who is the father of this white revolution? They are asking. Come on, text your answers. Question number 6. 6B is the right answer. Yes, very good. With Uday Kiran, Shreya, Sonu Kirtan. Soni Kirtan, you didn't answer. You just typed your name, but you didn't answer, Nana. Yes. Varghese Kurian is the person who is the father of this white revolution, and he is also called as the milkman of India. He is also called as the milkman of India. Okay, so let us see who the other persons in which field they are famous for. So Nirpak Tudej, he is famous. He is associated with the Golden Revolution. So which is the production of honey. Okay, honey. Next, M.S. Swaminathan, he is famous in the field of Green Revolution, the production of crops and seeds. Okay, so Indira Gandhi, she is the mother of Silver Revolution. Silver Revolution is associated with the production of eggs. Okay, so the right answer is Varghese Kurian, who is the father of the White Revolution, and he is also known as the milkman of India. Hope you are following me, children. Yes, 6B is the right answer. Very good, Bhumi. Yes, come on, good, Saiti, good. Yeah, yes. Okay, let us move to the next question. Question number 7. Who discovered the law of inheritance? The law of inheritance. So we have a slight connection. This question related to the yesterday's the questions which I taught you in the last class. Come on, please try to answer. The law of inheritance is discovered by whom? So what is this law of inheritance? Please, come on, please find out who is this? Who is the father of this law of inheritance? Come on, children, please text your answers. Question number 7 is given on the board. Come on, children, please see. Question number 7. Yes, 7. Yay, very good. Sanjeev gave the right answer. Very good. Very good. 7A is the right answer. Jashvik gave the right answer. Very good. Who is this Mr. Turtle? Give your name. Text your name. Yes. So Grigor Mendel, yesterday I told you about he conducted several thousands of experiments in pea plant. Yes or no, children? So he did several experiments in the pea plant, and he said that like uh, even these plants also they have genes which is inherited from their parents, from their offspring. Okay. So whereas Einstein is electromagnetic, and Franklin, Mestral, you know, you are very familiar with this Mestral who invented this Velcro. Okay, so he got the inspiration from the nature. Like Velcro is a piece of thing which tie the two ends together, which we use in the caps, chappals, and all. No sandals. Velcro will be used, no, to stick the two ends together. Okay, so Mestral he discovered Velcro. So whereas Grigor Mendel is the right answer. 7A is our right answer. Going to the next question. Yeah. Come on, see this. Observe this image and try to answer the question. Yeah. I think the image is clear for you, children. So observe this image and read the question and try to answer. I'll see who will give the first answer. Yeah. I'll read out the question meanwhile. What is the collective word for the male reproductive part of the flower? Yes. Like how human beings, animals have male and female, even plants also, flowers, they will have male parts as well as the female parts. Some flowers which have only female parts, and some flowers they have only male parts. Some they have both male and female parts. They are known as complete flowers which have both male and female parts. But whereas the flowers which have a single reproductive part, either male or female, so those are called as an incomplete flower. Come on, tell me what is the collective term which we use for the male reproductive part of the flower. Come on, 8th question is given on the board. Please give your answers. Come on, 8th question is given. Stamen is very near, but stamen is not given in the options. Come on. See calyx. So calyx is nothing but the sepals. This is called as a calyx. Okay, so calyx are nothing but the green color part which are under the uh, petals. Okay, this part is called as a calyx.
Okay, whereas corolla. So corolla is nothing but all the petals which we have. So these petals all together are called as corolla. Okay, so androecium is nothing but the collective term which we give for this male reproductive part is known as androecium. Okay, so the male reproductive part consists of the anther, filament, and so this anther and filament they are together called as stamen, and the other term is called as androecium. Okay, that is called as androecium. So option C is our right answer. Whereas gynoecium is pistil. Okay, pistil is the female part which consisting of the stigma, style and ovary. This is called the pistil, which is called the gynoecium, the female part. Okay, so the stamen is called androecium. I think it's clear, children. Yeah. Yes, 8C is the right answer. Very good. Yes, Sanjeev gave the right answer. Yes, Devansh gave the right answer. Srushti gave the right answer. Very good, children. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, next. Let us move to the next question. Yeah. This is one more picture. Please observe this picture. So, so like how in the previous question I told you that so the flower has male and female parts. Okay, so that is one type of reproduction like pollination. The pollen grains from the anther which shift to the stigma of the female part. So that is called the sexual reproduction. So here this is nothing but a vegetative propagation called asexual reproduction. What is this called? Asexual reproduction. Or what is it called? Vegetative propagation. What is this called? Vegetative propagation. Here, there will be no, like, there will be no female and male parts participation will be there. Here, directly, the parts of the plant, like the stem or the flowers or the leaves, sorry, the stem, the roots or the leaves will help in the reproduction of the new plant. So see this first one. So there are different ways in the vegetative propagation like grafting, cutting and layering. So this is called as layering. So we have three types of asexual reproduction like from the stem part. This is also from the stem part and this is also from the stem part. But how they are made? They are made in different ways. So see the first one. So the stem part is cut into two halves, not completely. To the middle portion it is cut and one stem part is injected into it. If you see in the second picture, the second stem part which is cut from the other plant is kept in the stem of the other plant and they they were tied together and they will grow together. So this is nothing but grafting. What is this called? Grafting. Next, of the stem and keeping in some other pot. So it will start slowly it start producing the roots. So this is one type of rooting hormone. The roots will start growing from the stem when it is cut and kept in the soil and it will be grown. It starts producing. Okay, this is one type of asexual reproduction. So next coming, so see here, so the stem part is only bent and it is kept in the okay, so it is growing and one more in one more direction. So it is kept in the soil and you can see, observe the roots are coming slowly. It also started growing. Okay, so this is called as layering. So all these different methods are called asexual reproduction. So which is like no participation of the male and female gametes. So herely completely this is called as vegetative propagation. So only the parts of the plant will participate in the production of the new plant. Okay. So here grafting, cutting and layering. I think it's clear, children. So let us see the question what they asked. Come on. Which of the following is not a method of vegetative propagation? So what did I say? Just now I told you about hmm, just now I told you about cutting. Just now I told you about cutting, grafting and layering which are
the vegetative propagation of the plant. Whereas pollination is not a vegetative propagation, it is a sexual reproduction where the male parts and the female parts fuse together to form the seeds, to form the ovules. I think it's clear, children. So 9D is the right answer. Very good. Sanjeev gave, Sahiti, Shreyas, Yuva Kirtis. Yes, very good. So 9D is the right answer, whereas pollination is the transfer of the pollen grains from the male part to the female part, that is sexual reproduction, whereas these cutting, grafting and layering all the asexual reproduction. Okay, so I think it's clear. Let us move to the 10th question. Solve the following riddle. So small riddle puzzle is given. So read the sentences and try to answer. See the first point, what are they asking? My first alphabet is in man, not in can. Okay. So what here A is there and C is also there, but C is not here. Not in can means what is missing? M is missing here. So M is the first letter of the word. Okay. We have to find out the word of the riddle. Okay. Next, my second alphabet is in A's. Second alphabet is in A's, but and also in fan. Okay. So which is the common word here? A is the common word. So that is our next letter. Yes. 10th one. Already answers they are giving. Very good, Sanjeev. Correct. Yes. Yes, yes. Bhargava, very good. Bhargav Satyasai, very good, Nana. Yes, see the third alphabet is rat, not in cat. So what is that? R. Okay. So the third alphabet is R. Next, my fourth alphabet is sun, not in fun. So yes is our fourth alphabet. So we got the word. What is the word, children? Mars. Mars is the planet which is also known as the red planet. 10B is the right answer. Yes, very good, Shravan. Saharsh and Akshara, very good, very good. Come on. Next, going to the 11th question. Which of the following Which of the following is not a waterborne disease? Not a waterborne disease means which is not transmitted by the contamination of food and water. Whereas typhoid, cholera, diarrhea are waterborne diseases. Yes, so they affect the person by consuming contaminated food and water. Whereas dengue is a vector-borne disease, is a mosquito-borne disease. Okay, is the mosquito-borne disease. Option D is the right answer. 11D is the right answer. Come on. Yes. Come on, please follow me, children. Speed up. Give your answers. Question number 12 is given on the board. I'll see who will give the first answer. Like question number 12. Question number 12 is given on the board. Please give your answers. What is the whole name of BCG? Whole name is nothing but the full form of BCG they are asking. So what is BCG vaccine is given for tuberculosis, to prevent the tuberculosis. So BCG vaccine is given. Okay. So you have expand the word BCG. Question number 12, Sahiti. Yes, very good. Sahiti is correct. Yeah, question number, along with the question number, you have to type the right option. Simply you are typing the correct options. Please give the question number also along with the right option. Yes, as Bacillus calmette urine is the right answer. So this is a vaccine which is used to prevent the tuberculosis. Okay, I think it's clear. Question number 13 will go. Yeah, see this. Come on, see this. Observe this picture. Observe this picture. What is happening in the given picture? Come on, see, children. So cloud seeding, traditional method of rain making in use since the 1940s. So what is happening in the picture? What is happening in the picture? Come on, please let me know what is happening in the picture. So artificial rain is being produced. So in an artificial way by adding some chemicals like silver iodide, potassium iodide, potassium iodide. So all these chemicals and dry ice also. Even dry ice also is induced into this clouds for immediate rain. Okay, for immediate rain, for the clouds to start raining immediately. So these chemicals are been kept through the, see, you can see one aeroplane. dropping something into the, dropping some chemicals into the clouds. So which causes immediate rain in that area. So this process is called cloud seeding and is also called as artificial rain. And it is also called as artificial rain. Okay, so who is the father of this artificial rain? Can you please tell me, children? Come on, give your answers. Who is the father of this artificial rain? Who invented this artificial rain? Come on, cloud seeding. Yes, Nike. Come on, tell me. So, who is the father of this artificial rain? Who started? Who proposed this first? Who implemented? And in which state this cloud seeding has been implemented in India? Okay. So, let us see what is the question they are asking. See, which of the following is used to induce artificial rain? So, what are the different chemicals I told you just now to start rain, to start the artificial rain? So, ammonium chloride, no. Calcium carbonate, no. Silver iodide, along with potassium iodide, along with potassium iodide, or dry ice will be sprayed into the clouds for immediate rainfall. Okay, so already the clouds are ready, but they are not ready to rain, they are not ready to burst. So in such cases, so this silver iodide, potassium iodide, this causes to burst the clouds immediately. So this was started by Vincent Schaefer. So Vincent Schaefer is the person who started this artificial rain, which is called as cloud seeding, which is called as cloud seeding. Very good. C is the right answer. Very good. 13 C is the right answer. Akshara. Yes. Very good, children. Bhargava. Good. Yes. Yes. Sahiti. Yes. Correct. Option C is the right answer. 13 C is the right answer. Silver iodide along with this potassium iodide, dry ice are also induced into the clouds to for immediate rain, and that is called as a artificial rain, and this was started by Vincent Schaefer, is the father of this cloud seeding. Okay, next see the 14th question. 14th question is given on the monitor. Please see, children. What is the primary benefit of seed dispersal for a plant? So why the seed dispersal is very, very important for the plant? So what is this dispersal? Let us see. So dispersal is nothing but the seeds which are moving away from the parent plant. Why they have to move away? Yes, they can stay along with their parent plant. Why they have to? What is the need or what is the necessity to just go away from the parent plant? So let us see the options what they gave. What is the primary benefit is nothing but the advantage of leaving the seed dispersal. Okay, seed dispersal. Why is it important? They are asking to increase the competition with other plants. So if they move away, so competition will not be increased. Yes, if they are there, then only the competition will be there. To ensure that seed germinates close to the parent plant, no, this is also a wrong statement. So to reduce the chance of overcrowding, that means, see, for example, if a tree is growing here in one place, so all the seeds are falling in that place only. They are falling at that place. So the small plants which are growing here, they doesn't get enough sunlight, or all these plants along with the tree, they fight for the water and minerals which are present there. So that is why the seeds have to move away to different locations. That's the reason why the seed dispersal is very, very important to avoid the overcrowding or to avoid the competition. Okay. So C is the right answer. To reduce, that means to come down to avoid the competition or overcrowding. To attract pollinators, no. So the right answer is 14. C is our right answer. Yes, Vaishnavi, Manvit, Yuvakirti, good, Hamish. Correct, Nana. Correct. Sonu, correct. Yes. Yes, correct. Sanjeev, Devansh, very good. Keep going. Yeah. Next question number 15. Yes. See this picture. So what is showing in the picture? What are they trying to tell you? See, the rain which is collected on the rooftop. Yes, the rain which is collected on the rooftop is sent through the pipe and it is collected in the underground. So from there it is diverted to the uh, ground. Okay, so from there water will be pumped through this hand pump. So what is this? So we are trying to conserve this rainwater. We are trying to harvest this rainwater. Harvesting means we are trying to save it for the future use instead of letting it away, go away from our place. We are storing that rainwater in our underground only. So, but this water is diverted from the roof, that means which is on the top of our building. So that will be sent through this pipe. So a small arrangement has been given that rainwater will be collected and sent to the topsoil, that means to the underground, and from there, so whenever we need the from the hand pump or from the borewell or any other means, we can dig out that water in for our future. Yeah, so we are saving that rainwater. So this whole setup is called as rooftop of house. That is called as rooftop harvesting. Rooftop harvesting. Okay. So this is in practice in several states of India. So which conserves our rainwater? Yes or no, children? Now I'll display the question. So try to answer this question. Question number 15 is given on the screen. Come on, try to tell your answer. Sahiti, very good. Sahiti, very good. Sumant Yadav, please text along with your student name so that it will be easy for you. Easy for me. Yes, Akshara, correct. Yes, don't send any emojis, children. Very good. Sumant Yadav, rainwater harvesting. Very good, very good. 15B is the right answer. Let me read the first question. Let me read this question. The first state in India that made rooftop harvesting compulsory through the legal norms. That means which state made it compulsory, the rooftop harvesting for every house in the state. So let us see, Tamil Nadu is the state. So which made it mandatory for every house in the state? Like they have to set up this whole thing in their house. Okay, so the government has sent a strict rule so to avoid the scarcity of water. So instead of letting it away, allowing the rainwater to go to some other place, so we have to save that rainwater. So this Tamil Nadu government made it compulsory for all the houses in their state. Very good. Question number 16. Let us see question number 16. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Incorrect means which is the wrong statement or the false statement they are asking. Okay, acclimatization. Tell me what is acclimatization. So acclimatization is a temporary adjustment of an organism to the surroundings. So that means, so in the word itself, climate is there. So that getting adjusted to the climate, to the weather conditions, the body faces several problems when we went to any other climate. That means, for example, we are living in the south. It has a moderate type of climate. Suddenly, if you shift from the south to the north, north is completely cold weather conditions. So if you go there, so our body will take time to adjust to that climate, to the weather condition. So initially we'll feel some problems will be faced by everybody. So it is not just by human being, it may be a plant or an animal. Okay. So that is called getting adjusted to the environment, or the body feeling some difficulty to adjust to the environment is called acclimatization. Okay. So camouflage is a type of adaptation. Hibernation is a climatization. Long time adjustment to the surroundings lead to adaptations. Yes, this is the right statement. So acclimatization is the temporary adjustment. This is also a right statement. Camouflage. So what is this camouflage? Tell me, children. So animals like what animals? See, several insects feed on the leaves. Yes, and chameleon. You know chameleon. So chameleon, it changes its color wherever it go. Yes. So that is a type of adaptation. So to protect itself from danger. So it changes its color to on the surface wherever it go. It changes according to the surface color. So that is called as adaptation. Okay, so which is very near to this acclimatization, whereas hibernation is nothing but a winter sleep, so that is not related to acclimatization. So tell me what is the right answer. Option question number 16. What is the right answer? 16. Yes, 16C is the right answer. Very good, Sonu Kirtan, Anjan, Hamish, Vaishnavi. Very good, Srushti. Srushti, not Bhima, it is C. It is C. Hibernation is acclimatization is the wrong statement. They are asking for the incorrect statement. So this is the wrong statement. Option C is the right answer. Okay, I think it's clear. Question number 17. Kerosene is not used in which of the following? So in which places the kerosene is not used? So kerosene, which is a product of petroleum. So kerosene is extracted from petroleum, yes, from the crude oil, yeah. So which we use in early days, they are used for cooking also. Kerosene, cow dung, coal, all these are used. Even now also kerosene is also is used. So this is not used in the following. They are asking. Come on, tell me the answer. 17th question. I want you all to give your answers. Please give your answers. 17th one. 17th one. Yes. Who is this? Shigori. Yes, Sonu Kirtan correct. Shreyas correct. Yes, Bhumi is correct. Anjan correct. Yes. So kerosene is used for dry cleaning or for making plastics and paints to run the machines like generators and all. So this kerosene is used. So whereas for making cotton clothes, so we have two type of fabrics like plant fabric, synthetic fabric, and natural fabrics and artificial fibers. Yes. So natural fibers are made from the plants like cotton, jute and all, whereas artificial fibers are made from petrol and all, but from the byproducts of petrol like rayon, acrylic. So these are artificial fibers, whereas natural fibers are cotton, wool, silk, all these comes under the natural fibers. So kerosene is not used in making the cotton clothes. Okay, children, I think it's clear. Yes, 17D is the right answer. Yes, Sainath Yadav. Yes, Gagan. Very good. Come on. Going to the next question. Question number 18. Dash is a kind of plant which is slippery and spreads a lot during rainy season. Come on, question number 18 is given on the screen. Please give your answers. Question number 18 is given on the screen. Dash is a kind of plant. This is a plant organism, not an animal organism. So the hint is given, the plant organism, not an animal organism, which is used, which is slippery. That means which has a soapy, like a kind of nature, and spreads a lot during rainy season. So fungi, mushroom are similar. Okay, so mushrooms will grow on the dead and decaying organisms, which is a fungi. Mushroom is a fungi, whereas algae, we can see the green color growth during green growth on the walls or everywhere on the floor, on the surfaces, mostly in the rainy seasons. Okay, so this is a plant organism. So which is slippery, we will have a slippery kind of nature which you slip down. Okay, whereas paramecium is present in water which has a slipper shaped. So which shape look like this? Okay, slipper shape microorganism. Okay, so the right answer is algae. 18C is the right answer. Yes, Yuvakirti correct, Bhumi correct, Srishti correct, Anjan, Gagan. Yes, Nandakishore, you didn't answer. Shreyas, correct. Algae is the right answer. Okay, so algae is a green color growth on the surfaces which you notice mostly during the rainy season. Okay, next question number 19. Which of the following is the study of diseases? Okay, the study of diseases is called what? They are asking. Question number 19 is displayed on the screen. Please give your answers, children. Question number 19. What is, which of the following is the study of diseases? Question number 19. Yeah, yes. What is pedology? Pedology is the study of Different types of soil. Types of soil. How many soil types are there? So that is the study of soil. Whereas pulmonology is the study of lungs and respiratory system. Okay. Whereas pathology, yes, 19, Vaishnavi, correct, Bhumi, correct, Nandakishore, correct, Sampreet, yes, Sahiti, Bhumi, Srushti, Manvid, yes, correct children, you are doing well, super. Pedology, so pedology is, pedagogy. Pedagogy is the study of like different teaching methods with which the teacher learns. Okay, the teacher learns different techniques to handle the children or to train the children, to teach the children. So, pedagogy is the different teaching methods or the teaching systems. So, the right answer is pathology, which is the study of diseases. Okay. So, option C is the right answer. Next. Question number 20. Which of the following is a non-perishable? Is non-perishable. Question number 20 is given on the board. Please give your answers. Come on fast. Question number 20 is not perishable. So, actually, what is perishable? So, that means perishable foods are nothing but which are easily spoiled, which spoil very easily. That means within no time, within a couple of days, they will get spoiled, like milk. Okay, milk will spoil where fruits, vegetables. Okay, so that so they need some refrigeration. If they need refrigeration, so they can stay for little more time. Okay, so the options: milk, fruits, onions, and sugar. Come on, question number 20 is given on the screen. Yes, Sonu Kirtan. Yes, correct. Sonu Kirtan is correct. Yes. No, Hamish. Non-perishable, they are asking. Read the question. I explained about perishable. You have to answer which is the non-perishable. So 20. Yes, Bhargav, correct. Darshit is right. Sampreet, check your answer. Non-perishable. Okay. So milk is perishable. That means it will spoil very soon. Fruits are also very perishable. Vegetables and fruits are perishable. Whereas onions, potatoes, they doesn't need immediate refrigeration. So they comes under the category of semi-perishable. Okay, they are semi-perishable. They will stay for little more time than milk, fruits, and vegetables or leafy vegetables. Okay, so whereas sugar, it does not need any refrigeration and it lives for longer time. They are non-perishable. Okay, non-perishable. So give some more examples like dry fruits, dry fish, dry vegetables, which are dehydrated. So they all comes under like jaggery, grains, all these comes under non-perishable foods. So the right answer is option D is our right answer. Okay. So dry fruits, dry vegetables, grains, pulses, and many more. Okay. The right option is option D is the right answer. Next question number 21. Kalbelia. What is Kalbelia? Is a traditional, it's a tribal dance form of which state they are asking. So where did you heard this word Kalbelia? Kalbelians. Tell me. Question number 21. Please tell your answer. Trishala. Yes, those many times giving the option is not needed. Okay. Come on. 21 question is displayed on the screen. Please give your answers. Yeah, even pickles are also, salt is also non-perishable. Very good. Very good. Yes, pickles. Salt is also non-perishable. They stay for longer time. Yes, question number 21. Yes, 21. Yes, Manvit correct beta. Sanjeev is right. Srushti is right. Vaishnavi is right. Devansh is right. Sampreet is correct. Come on. So, Kalbalians is like snake charmers. Like snake charmers, that means the people who look after the snakes and all, who play the bean. So the snake dances according to the tune of the bean. So they are the tribal have dance of which state? Rajasthan. Okay, so Kalbalians. The tribals of Rajasthan state. Okay, next. So the right answer is 21A. Next question number 22 is given on the screen. Find the incorrect pair. Some pairs of different young ones are given. Please give your answers. Question number 22 is given on the screen. Give your answers. 22. Incorrect pair they are asking. Incorrect pair 22. Yes. Please check your answers. 22. 22. Incorrect pair like young ones. Animals and their young ones pairing is given. So in which? So deer, fawn, crocodile, hatchling, mosquito, larva, pigeon, pup. So give your answers. 22. Incorrect. That means the false statement, the false pair, wrong pair. Wrong pair, children. So this is how you will get mistaken every time. Yes, Varun Tej right. Uday is correct. Yes, Hamish, check your answer. Srinit is correct. Darshit is correct. Yes. So, fawn is the young one of deer. Hatchling is the young one of crocodile. Larva is the young one of mosquito. Whereas, pup is not the young one of pigeon. So, young one of pigeon is squab. Okay. So, pup is the young one of dogs, wolves, sharks, and many more. Okay, so the incorrect pair is option D. Option D is our right answer. That is the incorrect pair. Yes, Shravan, Bhumi, correct. Akshara, correct. Devansh, right. Why Yashwant B? Sahiti, correct. Come on, going to the next question. Question number 23. The imbalance in our atmosphere. So, atmosphere, what does it contain? Question number 23 is given on the screen. So, any imbalance in the atmosphere leads to what type of pollution they are asking? Question number 23 is given on the screen. Please give your answers. So, you have to think what does the atmosphere consists of? Atmosphere consists of what different elements? Like, like is it the water or soil or air or noise? So, what type of it gives disturbance to which type of pollution? So, as you know that atmosphere is a mixture of different gases. Mixture of different gases. So, what happens? Any imbalances happens to the atmosphere. So, what type of pollution it leads to? Yes, 23. Devansh, correct. Yuvakirti, correct. Nageshwar Rao, please text along with the student name. Bhargava is correct. Sampreet, right. Yes, Sonu Kirtan, correct. Srihit Verma, correct. Yes, 23. So it leads to air pollution as it contains different number of gases which are in the air. So which leads to air pollution. Okay. So 23, option A is the right answer. Please check your answers. Next, question number 24. See, the farmer is facing challenges in crop growth due to soil pollution. Due to soil pollution, the farmer is facing lots of problems. Challenges is nothing but the problems. So he is facing many problems due to soil pollution. Why the soil gets polluted? You have to know the reason. Caused by excessive usage of chemical fertilizers. So chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Okay, so what can the farmer do to reduce the soil pollution and to improve the crop growth? Avoid to avoid the growth from the insects and pests, like which affects the growth of the plant. So the farmer uses different fertilizers and pesticides. So which they are chemical fertilizers here the farmer is using. But it damages the soil. The soil fertility will be lost by using the chemical fertilizers as well as the chemical pesticides. So what has to use to improve the fertility of the soil? Come on, 24. 24. Very good. Yes, Devansh correct. Naveen Yadav correct. Yuvakirti correct. Sanjeev, Manveet, Sampreet, very good. Varun Tej, Hamish, Arush Reddy, Bhargava, very good children. Soundarya, correct. Yes. So let us see the options. Continue using the same chemical fertilizers and pesticides for better results. No. So the soil fertility will be lost only by this chemical fertilizers and chemical pesticides. So he has to cut down the usage of these chemical fertilizers and pesticides. So switch to natural fertilizers and pesticides. Natural fertilizers includes what? The cow dung. the cow dung or the dry leaves and any kitchen waste. Okay, any kitchen waste like the vegetable peel or the fruit peel can be used as a natural fertilizer, and even the natural pesticides also he has to switch to reduce the soil pollution. Yeah, so we got the answer, but still go through the other options. Increase the use of chemical fertilizers to boost crop growth. No. So the soil will worsen more and more if you use this chemical fertilizers. The soil loses its fertility. Ignore soil pollution and find other methods to improve. No, we should not we should not ignore the soil pollution, as the soil is like the ultimate thing which the plant needs for its growth. Yes, so he has to switch to natural fertilizers and pesticides to improve, to escape from this soil pollution. Very good, Sonu. Akshara, good. Shivakumar, yes. Yashwant, correct. Next, last question of the session, today's session, question number 25. Which of the following is the correct pair? Okay, so some wind farms which are located in different states are given. So in that, three are wrong and one is right. So which is the right one? You have to find out. Come on, see, question number 25 is given on the board, given on the screen. Please give your answers. Question number 25. Next, Jaisalmer Wind Park. So Jaisalmer is, where is it located, in which state? Brahmanvel, which state? Muppandal Wind Farm, Velugappa Wind Park. So all these located in different states. 25, Devan. No. Movie, no. No. Nanda Kishore, no. Sanjeev, no. Yes. Darshit is the right. Darshit gave the right answer. Muppandal Wind Farm is in Tamil Nadu is the correct pair. Okay, so this is our right answer. Whereas Jaisalmer, which is in Rajasthan, and Brahmanvel, which is in Maharashtra. Whereas Belugappa Wind Farm is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, children. So the right answer is Muppandal Wind Farm, which is located in Tamil Nadu. Okay, hope, I think this video is helpful to you. Thank you, children. So next class, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay, and please keep in contact with us. Yeah, and the next class will be continued by Jacob sir.
Good afternoon, children. Hope you are not getting bored, but you are enjoying the session. I saw you are very much enthusiastic when science class was going on. Many of you are answering very fast. Okay, it is good that you are learning. That is the main thing, because in the school also you are only talking, not learning much. So it is better online classes. You are understanding. I hope you are understanding and you are remembering. See, answering a question is not so important. How much you remember it, that is very important. Okay, guesswork don't do, please. I request you, don't do any guesswork. Think and do things. Today, general knowledge. Okay, till yesterday we saw about awards. Okay, I told you about different types of awards, to whom it was given and why it was given. I explained to you. Today, it is a very interesting topic which I know you all will like, because it is related to sports, renowned sports and personalities. Today, our topic is renowned sports and personalities. Now, renowned means well known. Well known. Okay, those who are very famous in sports. Personalities means person. Personalities means person. So today we are going to look into it. So first, children, especially boys, you will be very happy. First, our name comes is Virat Kohli. Everyone knows Virat Kohli. Okay, he's a good cricketer. He is the former Indian captain known for his aggressive batting. Okay, he is known for his aggressive batting. That means aggressive means he bats very fast. Okay, he scores runs in less balls. He scores more runs, and he is a very consistent batsman. That's why he comes under renowned sports personalities. Okay, so when first Virat Kohli he played for India in 20th June. From 20th June he started playing for India. Okay, and he has been the captain of India. He has been scoring very good runs, and recently he's crossed 14,085 runs. He made. His total is in one-day international matches 14,000. Recently in this Champions Trophy, he crossed that 14,000 mark. You must have observed if you are watching that. Okay, and also 4,100 4,188 runs he has scored in Test matches. Okay, he has a distinction of scoring more half centuries and centuries. He has how many centuries? Now 51 centuries he has completed. 51 centuries. Okay, he has completed how many? 51 centuries. And how many? 50 is 30. Okay, half centuries you can call. So that's why he has to become famous in any game, whichever you play, or even in studies. You have to do something very unique, and you have to be consistently performing it. Then only you will get this popularity. Otherwise, you will not get. See, many cricketers are there; they are good, but they were not consistent. In one match, they will play well. In another 2, 3 matches, they won't play well. The consistency is very important. Then the second one again, the legend of Indian cricket. It is Sachin Tendulkar. All must be very happy to hear his name. Okay, after Virat Kohli, it comes Sachin Tendulkar. He is a cricket legend. That is, no other cricketer is as good as him. Even Don Bradman, the greatest cricketer, also always applauded Sachin Tendulkar, and he had the privilege to. He was invited by Don Bradman because he wanted to meet him and talk to him. So that is a great advantage for him. He is the highest run scorer in international cricket. Of course, now Virat Kohli is going to cross him. Okay, he is the highest run scorer. He has been awarded Bharat Ratna. He has been awarded Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri. Padma Vibhushan. I am writing only P so that you are, I know, and Padma Shri. Okay, he has been awarded all these three. Okay, and he has 15,921 runs. Okay, in test matches. 15,921 runs test match. T. One day, how many he has? He has in one day international, he has 1,846, 18,846. Sorry, 1,000 I told, it is 18,846 runs he scored. Okay, and he has 51 test centuries. 51 test centuries, and so that's why he is considered 49. He has one day centuries. One day. Okay, 49 one day. So totaling up, he was given totally 100 centuries he has. Okay, totally 100 centuries. 51 in test and 49 in one day international. So he has total of 100. Now you must have seen Virat Kohli. He will cross him very soon. Okay, so then comes MS Dhoni, who even today plays for IPL. Whereas Virat Kohli is the captain for RCB. You all must be knowing. Sachin Tendulkar is retired from all forms of cricket now. Now MS Dhoni is still playing for only in the IPL. He is the Chennai Super Kings captain. Okay. Former Indian captain led India. This is the great advantage for MS Dhoni because he led India in the 2011 World Cup victory. 2011 when India beat Sri Lanka in the finals in Mumbai Wankhede Stadium, the captain was MS Dhoni, and he was only the person who hit the ball for a six for the winning runs. Okay, before this in 1983 we won the World Cup. Who was the captain then? Who was the captain? It was Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev was the captain. So after almost 28 years, we could win the World Cup. Okay, so MS Dhoni has total of in test matches he has 4,876 runs. Okay, and in one 10,773 runs he has 773 runs. Okay, so and in T20s he has how much 1617 runs. Okay, because T20s he less over, so one cannot score more. So that's why it is showing very less total. Okay, then that was the cricket legends. Cricket legends. Okay, what was our topic today? Our topic was renowned sports personality. This was about cricket. Okay, now we'll see badminton. Badminton. As soon as I say, all immediately in your mind, PV Sindhu name will come. Saina Nehwal name will come. Okay, so PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu. She belongs to Hyderabad. Okay, mostly if you see badminton players, they are from Hyderabad. Saina Nehwal also belongs to Hyderabad. PV Sindhu belongs to Hyderabad. Okay, so she is Olympic. What is the specialty? Olympic silver and bronze medalist. Two medals in Olympics. She is the only person in badminton to get India two medals in Olympics in two consecutive Olympic games. Okay, world champion. She was world champion 2000. In 2019, she was a world champion. Okay, so that's why she is a great personality. Even today, she is playing. Okay, Saina Nehwal. Then why she is so famous? Because she is the first Indian woman. She is the first Indian woman to win a Super Series title 2009. She was the first woman to win a Super Series final. It is held by BWF. BWF. Okay, Badminton World Federation. BWF stands for Badminton World Federation. Okay, then later the Super Series was from 2018. It is called no more. It is called World Tour Series. The Super Series they changed the title to World Tour Series from 2018. So now you won't find this tournament. It is in the name of World Tour Series. Okay, it is a very famous where all great badminton players from all the country they participate, and she was the first Indian woman to win it. So that's why she is very famous. Okay, so remember BWF is Badminton World Federation. Super Series title now from 2018 the name is changed to World Tour Series. Okay, nowadays whenever this tournament is held it is called World Tour Series. Then it is Kidambi Srikanth. He is also Kidambi Srikanth is also from Hyderabad. I told you badminton players and even the most famous tennis player of India is from Hyderabad. So he was the first Indian male to be world number one in badminton. He was the first Indian male to be world number one in badminton. It is not easy to become world number one. To compete in the world against many great players, he must be the number one player. That's why he comes under great personalities of India. He was awarded Padma Shri. First, he was awarded Arjuna Award. Arjuna Award. He was awarded in 2015. Okay, Arjuna Award. Then Padma Shri. I think now you can see it clearly. Padma Shri was awarded in 2018. Okay, so these two awards he has been given in recognition of his contribution to the badminton era. Okay, so there ends our badminton topic. First we saw cricket. Okay, then we saw badminton. Now we are seeing what tennis. We are seeing tennis. Okay, so tennis immediately will know Saina Nehwal only. Yes, because this generation knows only her. Whereas there are many great Indian tennis players in male, Anand Amrital, Vijay Amritraj, Ramnathan Krishnan. They are all very famous tennis players for India. But since you are a young generation, so you will not be knowing much of that. So Leander Paes, okay, Leander Paes, most Grand Slam titles in doubles and mixed doubles for India. He has won. You see, in Grand Slam tournament there are doubles as well as mixed doubles. Mixed doubles means one girl and one boy, one woman and one man, and doubles means two men from India. He was always pairing with Indian Mahesh Bhupati. Mahesh Bhupati. They two were very good combination players. They won many doubles title they won. Okay, and mixed doubles. Mixed doubles doesn't mean that it should be the woman should be from India, she can be from another country. Okay, so that's why he is very famous. Who? Leander Paes. You must have heard his name, but you must not be knowing. And he is the first. Leander Paes is the first Asian male to be inducted inducted in the international hall of fame for badminton. His name is also is the first Asian male. Okay, to be inducted. Inducted means to be included in the International Hall of Fame for badminton. That's why he is very famous person. Okay. Then comes Sania Mirza. See, Sania Mirza, you must be knowing because her name often you read. So Sania Mirza, see in badminton it is Saina Nehwal. Okay, people get confused with these two names, Saina, Sania. Okay, so remember that is Saina, here it is Sania. This is the difference. So Sania Mirza, she is the former world number one in women's doubles, 6 times Grand Slam winner. Okay, she has won the Grand Slam tournament 6 times till now. Okay, so she is the hmm. So she is a former number one and 6 times Grand Slam winners. I told you in Grand Slam, of course, individually she has not won. She has always won with in doubles. Okay, her partner was from US country. Okay, so they won 6 times. They won the Grand Slam title. Okay, so that's why she is very famous. Of course, now she has retired from all form of tennis tournaments, and that's why. So, children, remember this Krantikin Academy admissions are open. So, please, whoever is interested to join your child for coaching All India Sainik School Entrance Exam, Navodaya, RMS, we give coaching for the entrance test. And if you think, please come and you can always contact us and you can take admission. Admissions are open now. Anytime you can come and meet in our office and you can admit your child here so that he has a better prospect when and he can write the entrance exam very well. Okay. So now hockey. Till now what we saw cricket, badminton, tennis. Okay. These are all. Cricket is a team game. Hockey is a team game. So cricket, badminton, individual doubles. Tennis, individual doubles. Okay. Now hockey again it is a team game. So Major Dhyanchand, in his name one trophy also is there. Major Dhyanchand Trophy, very important hockey tournament. Major Dhyanchand Trophy. So considered one of the greatest field hockey players of all the time. Major Dhyanchand, he was considered as the because he represented India in the Olympics. Okay, and 3 times in 1928, 1928, 1932, 1936. He was the person who scored more goals in the Olympics and India was able to win the gold here in Olympics. Okay. So that's why he is very, very famous. That's why in his name the government has kept a tournament called Major Dhyanchand tournament. In all, he has scored 570 goals. He has scored 570 goals. That's why he is very famous. Okay, and in how many matches he played? 185 matches he played. How many goals? The ratio you see. How many goals in 185 matches he has scored 570 goals. That's why his name is very famous. To become famous, simply you cannot. You have to work hard. You have to do in any field. You have to dedicate yourself. Then only you get popularity and people know you. Okay. Then it is Rani Rampal. Rani Rampal is now a retired player of hockey. Now she is the coach for Indian women's hockey. Okay, now she is working as the head coach for Indian women's hockey. Led the Indian women's hockey team to new heights. That means when she started playing, Rani Rampal, she was she played in such a way. Started. She was in Indian team at the age of 15 itself. 15 years, when she was only 15 years, she is the youngest girl to play for Indian team in the hockey. Okay, and in 2010 World Cup, she represented India when she was only how many? 15 years old. You are how many children now? 11, 12. So, in the 10, she represented India in the World Cup. In 2010 World Cup hockey tournament, she represented India. Okay, her game was very good, and that's why she got popularity. She has totally played 212 international games. Okay, she has scored 134 goals. Okay, and in Padma Shri, she was awarded Padma Shri in 2020. 2020, she was awarded Padma Shri. See, her achievement is good. So that's why she is now the coach for Indian women's hockey. Okay, then comes football. Football, most of you know one name. It is Sunil Chetri. Sunil Chetri is very famous football player. Even now, today he plays for from Bangalore in the ISL. Okay, highest goal like IPL. It is ISL, Indian Super League. It is for football. IPL is for cricket. Indian Super League is football. So he is the captain for Bangalore. Okay, like RCB you call in cricket. Here they call directly Bangalore. Okay, they call it what? SL Club Bangalore. It is called Super League Club Bangalore. He is the captain of Super SL Club Bangalore. Okay. Super League Bangalore. Club Bangalore. Okay. Highest goal scorer for India. One of the world's top international goal scorer. Okay. He is the fourth highest goal scorer in international football. Fourth highest goal scorer in international football. That means in internationally he is considered to be the fourth highest goal scorer. He has scored how many? 98 goals so far. Because India plays international matches very less. So he joined some clubs, foreign clubs and all. So that comes into consideration, and he has scored so far 98 goals. And he is still considered to be one of the greatest football player India has ever got. Okay. Then comes athletics. Athletics plays a very important role as far as Olympics is concerned. Okay. So athletics, Neeraj Chopra recently became very popular. Neeraj Chopra is very recently became very popular when he won gold medal in Tokyo Olympics. In Tokyo Olympics, he was in javelin throw. He won the gold medal. Okay. So then comes Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh, you know Milkha Singh, the flying Sikh. Why you call him flying Sikh? He is a legendary sprinter. Means he runs very fast. Milkha Singh, only athlete. Why he is famous? Because he is the only athlete is to win gold in 400 meter in Asian Games. From India, he is the only, and Asian Games as well as Commonwealth Games. Okay, he is the only Indian to win gold medal in 400-meter race in Asia Cup, as Asian Games as well as Commonwealth Games. Okay, he was awarded in 1959. 1959 he was awarded Padma Shri. See, whenever you do something, government also recognizes you. Government also recognizes your skill, your popularity, and then only you get these awards. This award just like that they won't give. They will scrutinize so many things in among so many players, among so many competitors. Your name should be selected. You must have done something exceptionally well in that particular sports. Then only they give this award. Okay, then it is PT Usha. She is known as the Queen of India track and field. She was the best runner India had once upon a time. She was the best runner. Okay. Now she is now what? Now she is not active as far as running is concerned. Now she is Indian Sports Administrator. Now she is Indian Sports Administrator. That means she organizes administrator. That means she helps Indian sports. She is in Patiala, assigned Sports Authority of India. She is the sports administrator. Okay, she helps the Indian sports to go on well. Okay, then come which chess. Then it is chess. The moment I put chess, you all know the great legendary Vishwanathan Anand. Okay, he is India's first chess grandmaster and five times world chess champion. Okay, so that's why he's very very famous. Now he has of course stopped playing chess because of age, but he always is a very good guidance. He gives guidance to the young people, young children, young boys, young girls who want to take chess as a profession, and he guides them, and he in fact he trains them how to do it. Okay, so that chess only one legendary. Of course, now one more legendary has come. His name will appear afterwards. So now shooting. Shooting also Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra. He is the first person to win Olympic gold medal. He is the in shooting. Okay. Now Neeraj Chopra he won in javelin. That comes under athletics. This does not come under athletics. It is an individual event. He won in 2008 Olympics. He won gold medal for India. Okay, in 2008, he won gold medal for India for shooting. Okay, then wrestling. Wrestling, you know, wrestling. Mostly wrestlers in India are from the state. Which state? I'll check the answers afterwards. Which state? Haryana. Mostly Indian wrestlers you find it from Haryana. So Bajrang Punia. First, first personality is Bajrang Punia. Bajrang Punia. Okay. He is the Olympic bronze medalist. Bronze medal. Who will get the bronze medal? One who comes first. Yes? No. Then second? No. It is third. So one who comes third, they get in Olympics bronze medal, and multiple world championship medals he has got. Multiple. Many world championship medals he has won. Okay. Then Vinesh Pogart. These Pogart sisters, they are three sisters, you know, Pogart sisters. So they are very good in wrestling, leading Indian female wrestlers. This Pogart family itself is a wrestling family. Okay, her father was also a their father was also a wrestler. So these are three sisters who represent India in wrestling. Eh? They are leading Indian female wrestlers. Then comes boxing. Boxing also, you know, the famous name Mary Kom. Famous name Mary Kom. Why she is so famous? Because she was six-time world champion, and in Olympics she won the bronze medal. I am telling you, if you do something in Olympics, whether it is gold, silver, bronze, it is a great achievement because the whole world represents there. Every athlete, every sports personality, they take part in Olympics. So there, if you get a medal, it is great honor for our country, not only for the individual, not only for the individual family, but for the country as a whole. It is a great honor. So that's why she is very famous. Now, of course, she is not into boxing. She has opened a boxing training academy where many young children, youngsters, they are going and getting trained there. Okay, so that was our that comes to the conclusion of our GK session today. Okay, so once again, I'm repeating that we are from Krantikin Academy. Admissions are open. Rush immediately because very few seats are available now. So, if you want your child to do well in RMS, Navodaya, Sainik entrance exams, it is better you put in here. You take admission here. We are a good experienced faculty who train the children as per their requirements. Okay, and it will be very beneficial and helpful for them to write when they go and write the entrance exam. Okay, the concept itself is different, of teaching concept itself is different here. So parents who want the child to excel in the entrance exam, to join RMS, Navodaya or Sainik, please feel free to contact on these numbers, okay, given on the screen, and come and meet in the office and take admission. Okay, so with that, we are ending today's online session. Hope children you enjoyed. I know you will be feeling little tired because right from 11 o'clock you have been attending class after class after class, but it is hard work always pays rich dividends. Children, remember that if you have that in mind, this hard work will be, you will feel it very easy. Okay, so go relax, have your lunch. Hope your mother has cooked the lunch. Have lunch. Eh? So with this, I'm ending this session. Thank you.